Today we are discussing the interview questions and answers for AWS Certified DevOps Engineer Professional DOP. You can download the complete list of AWS-based questions from the link provided in the description. Our interview question based on AWS DOP is: describe the benefits of using AWS Systems Manager parameter store for storing and managing application configuration settings. Your answer should be AWS Systems Manager parameter store offers several benefits for storing and managing application configuration settings, including secure storage of sensitive data using AWS KMS encryption, integration with AWS services and Lambda functions, hierarchical organization of parameters, and support for versioning and parameter hierarchy sharing. Our next interview question is: what are the advantages of using AWS Lambda layers for code reuse and management in serverless applications? Your answer should be AWS Lambda layers offer several advantages for code reuse and management in serverless applications, including the ability to package and deploy common code libraries and dependencies separately from Lambda functions, reduced package size and deployment time, simplified versioning and management of shared code, and reuse across multiple Lambda functions. Our next interview question is: how do you implement automated testing for AWS Cloud Formation templates using AWS Code Pipeline? Your answer should be automated testing for AWS Cloud Formation templates using AWS Code Pipeline can be implemented by integrating template validation and testing stages into the pipeline. You can use tools like CFNLint or AWS Cloud Formation Stack sets for static code analysis, template validation, and deployment testing across multiple accounts and regions. Our next interview question is: explain the purpose of AWS App Config deployment strategies and how they facilitate controlled deployments. Your answer should be AWS App Config deployment strategies allow you to define how configuration changes are rolled out to applications. They facilitate controlled deployments by supporting strategies like linear, canary, and all-at-once deployments, enabling you to control the rollout speed, mitigate risks, and validate changes before deploying to production. Our next interview question is: how do you implement automated data backups and retention policies for Amazon RDS databases? Your answer should be automated data backups and retention policies for Amazon RDS databases can be implemented using Amazon RDS automated backups and database snapshots. You can configure automated backups for point-in-time recovery and set retention periods to retain backups according to your data retention policies. Our next interview question is: describe the use case for AWS data sync in data transfer and synchronization between on-premises storage and AWS services. Your answer should be AWS Data Sync is a service that simplifies and accelerates data transfer between on-premises storage and AWS services. It is used in scenarios where large volumes of data need to be transferred securely and efficiently, such as data migrations, content distribution, and data processing workflows. If you are preparing for any AWS based certifications, you can download the complete list of valid, tried and tested questions and answers from the link provided in the description below.